How to disable animation effects on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to turn off visual effects for a snappier, distraction-free experience. First, click the Start button. Type Performance and click View Advanced System Settings. After that, click Settings under the Performance section. From there, select Adjust for Best Performance to turn off all animations at once. At this point, or select Custom if you want to keep a few effects and disable others individually. In the next step, uncheck the animation-related options, like Animate Windows when minimizing and maximizing. Following this, uncheck Fade or Slide menus into view. Uncheck Fade Out menu items after clicking. Once done, click Apply, then OK. From here, click Start, then Settings. At this stage, click Accessibility, then Visual Effects. Toggle off animation effects. Keep in mind, disabling animations can noticeably speed up an older or lower spec PC, though it also removes the smoother visual transitions. Finally, close settings once you're done. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable animation effects on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.